What is cin.clear function? cin.clear is a function in the istream header file which is the part of C++ standard library. When an input stream enters the fail state, the system ignore all further input-output using the stream. cin.clear is used to reset the error state flags of the cin input stream. What is the syntax? cin.clear and brackets close. Kindly watch the video to learn how to use cin.clear function in programming. It will help you fully understand the syntax and how each function works. The link is provided in the description.